first stitch is a problem, you go in like that and you slip it. Then because you're purling, you must remember to have the yarn at the front. So we need to go under the needle like this, bring the yarn to the front, and you can start purling.
And they had like TVs with like butterflies on the screen and that while they're washing their hair like a bathing suit.
And then I'm going to start a knit row as well, so you see what happens on the other side. So that's when you start knitting, the next row going to be knitting. So when you start knitting, if you find the first stitch is a problem, see the yarns at the back, go into the stitch, slip, and then just carry on knitting.
That sounds great. It's like 3 classes at the same time.
That's it.